Haisstronica reached out to me and they said, would you try our automatic wire strippers and crimper? And there's a bit of a commission. I'm going to upload this to my YouTube channel and upload it to the Haisstronica site on Amazon. And if you buy one of these, I get a bit of a commission. So I do get paid. It is made in China. And adjustable knob here. This is adjustable here for copper wire, so maximum 10 AWG. And non-insulated terminal, so from 10 to 12 AWG, 14 to 16, 22 to 18. And length adjustment, insulated terminal crimper, lots of features on this. So here's the pliers themselves here. They got adjustment here. This is for when you're adjusting, when you're adjusting the wire cutting here. This goes back and forth here. Plastic. It's plastic. This is your adjusting knob for when you're doing your wiring. Here's the cutter here. Looks very sharp. The cut wire and different crimpers here, the color crimpers and the other crimpers in the bottom here. So let's cut some wire here. See how it cuts wire. And this is 14-2 wire. We'll cut it. So it does cut it. Now I'm going to strip some wire here. So we're going to cut some 14-2 wire, and this plastic thing, I thought this little plastic knob here, it was like the tightener when you're doing different wire sizes here to tighten the tension on. This is actually a spring loaded. You press this little button here and this plastic thing will jet out here. See the spring inside here? So that jets out. You can still move it in wherever you want. That adjusts it out. So we're going to cut some 14-2 wire, and so you line it up here. That's whatever length you want to cut it. I like the jaws on this. You see the jaws? They're different. So there's 2 jaws on this side and there's 3 on this side. So what happens is it holds the wire and then it pulls it apart. So let's do the 14-2 wire here. Does a nice job. Do the neutral wire. Works nice. This is number 12 wire, and we're going to try it here. Makes a nice job. So I notice there's writing on the actual plier handles of the pliers, and it's got like a wire cutter here. And then they got the insulated crimpers here, so they got the actual size of what you can crimp here. And the different colored ones here, and the non-insulated ones here got the different sizes written right in the handle, and even on the back side they have it written right in the handle. That's kind of unique. Also, I noticed here they have a screw that holds this blade in here for cutting wires, so if that blade gets dull you can probably buy a new blade there. This is bell wire, and we'll cut the sheathing off it here. Does a nice job here cutting the sheathing. Now I'll cut the individual wires. These are very small wires. Does a nice job. Works perfect for bell wire. Cuts the sheathing and it cuts the wires. Perfect. The speaker wire, stranded wire. So we'll take the sheathing off this speaker wire. So it takes the sheathing off. Now there's 2 wires in here, 3 wires actually. Let's see if we can cut this wire. Cuts the wire, and we'll cut the wire off here to see how it cuts. Cuts it nice. That's a nice job. We're going to use the crimper here. We're going to use the blue one, and we're going to cut some number 14 wire here, stranded wire. And just see what we got. Strip that, then let's see if the crimper is going to work here. So got it in the insulated one here. I'm going to crimp it. Does a nice job. This is number 12 wire. I'm going to try a non-insulated one. See. There you go. We finished up our review on the Haisstronica pliers here. Some likes and dislikes. I like the fact that the way they have their jaws here. There's 3 on this side and 1 on this side, and it strips wire very easily. I like the fact that this is spring loaded. It is plastic, but it's spring loaded here when you're cutting the length of your wires here. This is some other plier manufacturers, you can change these jaws out. This one you can't. I like the fact you can change the blade here. The blade is going to get dull over time. There's a screw here, and you get another blade to put in here. The writing on the side here, that's neat that they have that on both sides of the pliers here. And I had a hard time with the non-insulated, when I did the crimping, the non-insulated one. Apparently they got some real nice ones here for crimping non-insulated and insulated connectors here. So overall, I like the handles here. The handles are nice and comfortable here. So overall, yes, I would recommend this pair of pliers. I reviewed the Haisstronica automatic wire stripper and crimper. They sent me the product and they said they would give me a bit of a commission if you buy it off their site. So please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything. It helps grow my channel. And share my video. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video today. Have a great one, people.